and here it is, a detergent as usual. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for passing by, and thank you all for your time to pass by my channel. Thank you all the returning subscribers and also the new. Thank you all. So today's video, I am happy. In today's video, I'm really very happy. As you see, when I woke up, I first did my morning, how can I say it, skin care. Yeah, can I say morning skin care? What I did my skin care. So that's how I say, ever since I gave birth, that's how I care about my skin. So today I woke up at 4 a.m. There are 25 minutes past 4 a.m. and I am doing my skin care. Oh yeah, let's proceed. So as to you see, today I first did my utensils. I always keep them for like some days, but today I decided to just wash. I kept them like for one day and then I washed them. I feel like life is getting easier. Let's proceed. So today it took me a very long time to finish doing the dishes, but as you know, yeah, it always takes some time. Then after doing my dishes, I decided to go on and clean that area that I was washing from. My cabinet is not yet built, but I'm working on it. Yeah, let's proceed. So this is the time that I've been waiting for to show you my good news today. Oh my god, today I bought a washing machine that I've been wanting ever since I gave birth, since a mom who gave through a C-section. I've been getting back pains while washing, bending down and washing every day. I've been getting a lot of back pain and I've been tired because I have to do this and that, getting things done. So I've been saving up my money for the washing machine, and God heard my prayers. Here it is. It's a twin tub washing machine. Here it's brand name. Is it brand type? It's here. So we see it has its manual, and yeah, oh my god, I'm really very excited. I'm so happy. So I didn't manage to bring closer the camera. I'm the one who always film myself, so I can't do two things at the same time. But as you see, I am unboxing it. I'm going to show it to you how it looks when you come close. Oh my god, I'm really very excited and I'm so happy. So this is how it looks. It has a spin, how can I say, there a spin part and also a washing part. That's how it looks. It really looks nice. It's a counter washing machine. It has where you can drain, so that's where it spins. It is 10.5 kilograms. And you guys, I didn't know these things much. And this is my first time touching on a washing machine, and also this is my first time to see a washing machine. I won't lie. So I went where they sold them. There were different choices, but I managed to get one which suits my price or which suits my money that was in my bag. So that's where I will wash them. Sorry honey. That's where I wash the clothes. Yeah, that's why it washes up. That pipe that you saw inside is for the water inlet. It also has a water outlet. I didn't show it to you guys. It has a water outlet, and also somewhere there behind it has where there is its cable. So we are going to test it out by you guys. As I test it out now, I use my Omo as usual, my sunlight detergent as usual, and also I bought a new baby. What I can only say is that it really does the work very good. It does its work very good as I tested it, and even if the electricity is low, the voltage is low, for it works. It makes some noise, which is not a lot of noise, because I was worried that as my baby is sleeping, you know, it's near my bedroom, so I was worried that as my baby is sleeping it will start making a lot of noise which will disrupt her sleep, but it didn't. So meaning that its noise is enough, like it can't disrupt my baby's sleep. It's really good, like you guys. Oh AMG, since I don't have a water pipe, I used my basin, my bucket, to pour in water. So guys, let's see how it works. So I went ahead to organize my living room. That's my living area. I decided to clean it. Don't mind about that smoke in the house. I was roasting some meat outside, and how can I say, and the smoke entered the house from my veranda. I was smoking. I was roasting my meat on the veranda, so the smoke was entering the house. So don't mind about it. You know, you can do two things at the same time. I might not show you how when I'm cooking. Remember, I am the one who film myself, so sometimes I don't show you that I'm cooking. I always do my tasks so that I can finish things in time. It was time to start folding my clothes, my baby's clothes. So it's time to fold our clothes. Hope that you enjoy.
will forgive me because you forgive me on the background noise.
that is a meter, electricity meter warning that the units are about to get done over. So this is my conclusion, because right now I'm done with getting ready. She's also done. Say hello guys, say hello guys, hello, hello guys. So she's also done. It's sunny, it's a sunny day, so it's a hot day. She's wearing like a light dress because it's a hot day today. So maybe when it turns out later. Right now it is 19 minutes past 11 a.m. 19 minutes past 11 a.m. and I'm done with everything. So today I've not mopped because tomorrow is a Sunday. So whenever it's a Sunday, that means that I'm going to do my things on, I'm going to mop and do all that stuff on Sunday. So I did a mop, but good enough is that I made some things clean and I'm done with cooking my supper. Even though I come back late at night, I won't be worried because I just know that there is food that I'm going to eat. There is dinner that I'm going to eat. So the way she's looking at the cameras. So this is these are my so far the washing machine. The washing machine is really very nice. It's a nice machine, that's the fact. I'm happy for it. I'm really happy that I have that washing machine. It's right now in my hands. I feel like, yeah, I feel very proud of myself, you know, like since I'm a mother of who gave birth through a C-section, it really helped me a lot. Like, I washed my baby's clothes only today. Tomorrow is a Sunday. I'll continue with other clothes, but what I can say is that it's a good product. Yeah, it's really a good product. I've used it. It's very fast and the clothes come out very clean. It's not, it does not have too much noise. It doesn't make a lot of noise. I was worried about that. It doesn't make a lot of noise. So I'm really very contented with the product. That's the fact. I'm very contented. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate. If you've really enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe so that you can be notified in our next videos. Yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe. And also thank you for watching. Hope that this video, I hope that you enjoy this video. Bye say bye 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 bye